Hi guys, in this video I will explain how to iron our school uniform in the right way. But first, we need to prepare our tools and also our clothes to be ironed. Stay tuned in this video to know more about the steps. So the first one, we need to prepare the iron, the ironing board, replica, and also our school uniform. And there are some things you need to know, because in the iron there is some settings that you need to know. So before you start to iron, start to know first the cloth that you will iron, such as you want to iron a linen or maybe you want to iron a cloth. You need to know the characteristic of your clothes and your linen before you start to iron. Then plug in the iron until it starts to heat. Usually it starts to heat from 15 minutes until 20 minutes. Be careful not to wrongly adjust the heat of the iron. Adjust to the type of cloth you want to iron to prevent things that are risky. Usually set the heat of the iron at the standard number, like number 3 or maybe number 4. It depends on what cloth or what linen you will use. Usually if your linen is quite thick, maybe you should use the number like number 5 or number 4 because it's really thick. But if your linen is very thin, maybe you should use like number 1 or number 2, or maybe if your iron have the writing like linen, you can pick that settings for your iron. Next, you need to prepare the cloth to be ironed and place them on the ironing table. You need to make sure also that the shirt is unbuttoned and that is on the table on the right front side. Okay, first you need to iron from the top to the bottom slowly, and you need to really be careful and do it repeatedly. Also, you need to know when you try to spray the replica to the cloth, don't forget to spray it just a little bit, because if you spray too much, it will be dangerous for the iron to be burned in the cloth. After you already ironed the right front side, try the same on the front left side. Don't forget that when you finish ironing both sides, iron the colors on the clothes by sliding the iron from the left to the right. If it's still a bit stubborn, we can also spray with replica. Also button back the shirt. Then what you need to do is iron the back of the shirt. Slowly to the left, to the right, and then goes down and repeatedly. Don't forget also to check again whether the clothes are neat or not. And if there are still some wrinkled parts, we can also do some activity, that is, we need to iron them back on that side. Don't forget to spray it just a little bit.
Then if the top and bottom are neat, we can fold the pants into 3 parts. Don't forget to iron the folded part.
Finally, we can fold the shirt and the ironing process is complete. Oh, by the way, don't forget to unplug the iron. Also put the iron in a standing position. Why? Because we need to let the iron cool down first after you use the iron. I hope by this video, everyone could get a new knowledge and also we can know more about how to iron our school uniform. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.